Our last shape that we're going to be doing for area is going to be a circle. So a circle is a round two-dimensional figure whose boundary, which is called the circumference, consists of points equidistant from a fixed point, which is the center. So as you can see in this cute little image I found, there are so many different circles. They come in all sizes, but they all have one thing in common. They are very round and there's a little point in the center, and they all have the same distance from the point, which is how they get so round, even the little tiny ones. So here's how we find an area of a circle. So the area of a circle can be found by using the formula area equals pi r squared. So the r stands for the radius, which is a straight line from the center of the circle to the circumference. So right here is the center, and this outside line is the circumference. So you could have a radius from anywhere in the circle. We could even make one from right here to the center, and that would be a radius. So we're going to take that measurement and we're going to multiply it in that equation. So let's go to the next slide and see our first example. And for this one, this circle has a radius of 3 centimeters. So if we plug that into our equation, area equals pi r squared, and our r equals 3 centimeters. So if we plug that in, area equals pi 3 squared. And then once we calculate that out, the answer that I got was 28.27 centimeters squared. So even with these circles, we are still going to use square units since we're doing a two-dimensional figure. So I will go on to our next example. And here's another circle. So this one has the radius coming from a different spot. Like I said, you can do the radius from anywhere, and the radius is going to be the same. So if I was to draw the same radius right here, this measurement would also be 17 meters because the radius is the same no matter where you draw it on the circle. So we're going to do this formula again. Area equals pi times the radius squared. And then we have it right here. So our radius is 17 meters. And we're going to do this right here. So area equals pi times 17 squared. And then here's our area after we calculate that out. So area times pi 17 squared, and our area is 907.92 meters squared. So like always, we got to remember those square units. And that is how you find the area of a circle.